Mic activators, my favorite topic for today. Is in 2024 people still buying mic activators, mic boosters? Let's find out in today's video. I'm planning to use SM7B with and without mic activator. In my right hand I have a mic booster from company Klark Teknik cm-1. This mic activator is gonna cost you around 35 British pounds here in UK. I'm gonna leave a couple of links in the descriptions down below. Let me show you a close-up of this device. I'm gonna put some video on the screen right now so you can see a close-up of this device. So what you need to activate this mic activator, you need two sets of XLR cable, an audio mixer or audio interface with 48 phantom power. This is what you need. And what you'll get up to 25 dB of clean gain. And I believe in 2024 you should most definitely buy one. Hear me out. I know most of the audio interfaces in 2024, 2025 for next year I believe, they'll come with more than 50 to 60 dB of gain. This is a clear example of the Vocaster one from Focusrite, which is with 70 dB of gain, which is plenty enough, believe me, to power the SM7B. I used the most cheapest audio interface a while ago with SM7B with 45 dB of gain, and I managed to power the SM7B completely fine. But the reason that I still recommend to get one of the mic activators is because the sound, actually when you use one of these activators, your SM7B will sound much better, which I'll demonstrate in today's video. There's a clearly couple of companies, about 7 I believe, that they do mic activators. Just buy the one that you think is better for you. I never use this device and I will use it in today's video, so clearly no idea how this will sound, so we're gonna be surprised together. I'm gonna use the SM7B with and without this Klark Teknik cm-1. I believe this company is based in UK, which is completely okay. This is a British product, super happy to test it. Not sponsored though. I purchased this device by myself. So without further ado, let's start with the test now. Let's use the SM7B without mic activator, and then we're gonna use it with the mic activator. So we're gonna go back and forwards just to hear there's any difference with the sound. No post-processing will be added. Just I'm gonna make the video simple and easy for you, and make sure to use a headset to hear the perfect tests. When you use a headset, it's much better. And now SM7B without mic activator. And now this is the SM7B without any mic activators. The sound is nice and clear. No EQ will be added to the both tests. So SM7B sounds pretty fine to me. Sounds pretty good. So when we add the mic activators, you'll hear the difference in the sound, in the tone, and that's why I recommend to get a mic activator, because the sound is gonna be much vibrant, much deeper. And actually when you use SM7B without any mic activators, you don't get the right potential, you don't get the full potential of this microphone. And we know that this microphone can sound even better when you're a little bit closer to the microphone. And this is unique Shure SM7B sound, which many people try to make, but it's very hard to make this sound, and that's why I recommend that. But now this is the SM7B without any mic activators. So let me know in the comments below, how is the sound without any mic activators? Does it sound good? Let me know in the comments below. And now this is the SM7B with the Klark Teknik cm-1. Make sure to wear headsets or any type of headphones to hear the difference. So as you can hear, the sound is much deeper and it's much clearer. And that's why I recommend to use a mic activator with SM7B, because without the mic activator you don't get the full potential of the SM7B. As you can hear, this sounds even better, and I can check the levels on my computer, and this is very, very good because we have a very good levels, but the sound is much, much better. So let me know, what do you think? SM7B with Klark Teknik cm-1, pretty good deep sound, and I do like how this sounds on my voice, complements the sound much, much better. Do you hear any difference? Let me know in the comments below. SM7B without any mic activators. Pretty good, right? Pretty decent, very good sound. But there's a big difference when you use a mic activator. I think the sound is much punchier. Again, depends of your voice. But I do like how this microphone sounds on my voice with the mic activator, but this is without. So what do you think? Leave any comments down below. So pretty good. SM7B with the Klark Teknik cm-1. Let me know in the comments below, what do you think? How is the sound? Sounds pretty decent, right? Pretty good. 25 dB of clean gain. I like that. SM7B, amazing sound. Let me know, what do you think? Should we try some plosives tests? Peter Parker likes pizza with pineapple. Peter Parker likes pizza with pineapple. Superman likes pizza with pineapple with cheese, and Peter Parker do podcasts with pineapple and pineapple. The popular SM7B with mic activator. How is the sound quality? Interesting. Again, this is the SM7B without any mic activators. Are you impressed? Let me know in the comments below. So pineapple with pizza with pineapple with podcast. Peter Parker is gonna make a pineapple pizza with podcasts. Superman likes pineapple with podcasts. Pretty decent, right? And as you can see, I'm not very far away from the microphone, and this is gonna give you a fist away, so the sound actually is pretty decent. So let me know, what do you think? Comment below how many people using the SM7B, and do you use the SM7B with or without cloud lifter, mic activator? Interesting. Let me know in the comments below. SM7B without or with? Let me know in the comments below, which sound do you like? Do you drink coffee? Let me know in the comments below. SM7B without any mic activators. Beautiful. I like coffee. Do you drink coffee? Let me know in the comments below. So let me know in the comments below, guys, what do you think? This is the SM7B with mic activator. I personally recommend to use mic activator. This is my opinion. Let me know in the comments below. Do you agree with me? Do you see any difference with the sound? Is the mic activator colors the sound, makes it better or makes it bad? Let me know in the comments below. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Make sure to watch one of my videos. I have 1,400 videos. See you. I'm out.